So today we're going to talk about enums. So let's jump right into the IDE, and we're going to learn how to declare or create enum using Golang. So I'm in the IDE. I'm going to create a new directory called enum, and within the enum, creating a Go file called main. Okay, so inside or outside, okay, let me declare this outside the main function. So I'm going to use the constant keyword, and within the constant, I'm going to declare the enum variable names. Okay, so I'm going to declare small, which I'm going to assign to something called iota, and then medium, large, extra large. Sorry about that. So these are the enums, and then the iota is going to initialize small with the value of 0, and then the next medium 1, and then large 2, and then 3. Okay, so let's go inside the main function and try to print small out, and then we want to also print medium, print large, and then extra large. So let's run this and see what we get. So you can see the values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Right, so we can also declare another constant where we can say const and then we say the first one is male, the second one is female. Okay, but let's assign the first value to iota, and then we're going to print male, and then we're going to print female. So if we print this value, we should expect 0 and 1. Okay, so let me print this. So around this code, you can see male is 0 and female is 1. Okay, so assuming we develop a database application where we want to insert male and female values, we can use the index 0 and 1 instead of the male and female. Okay. You can also check conditions on this. So if we say if male is equal to 0, we want to print and say, we want to say A is a male. Else, we want to say A is she's a female. Okay, so we can also do this, right? So, or we can even do if else if female is equal to 1, then we can do this. All right. So let me print out this. Okay. So I'm going to run this code. You see, the first condition is met. Okay, so let me take off this. I think, let me say else. Okay, it's a male. All right, so I think that is all about enums. You can also use switch statements on enums. Okay, so you can also say switch, and then we can also say, let's say male. Yeah, so let me just leave it. I don't want to go deep into switch statements, but you can always apply switch statements to enums. So let me run this and see. Okay, okay, she's a female. Okay, so if you check against this, because female is 1, this condition is going to fail. So it's going to print this part of the condition. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.